Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching. Before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And also, if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, go ahead and click the bell icon next to it. Today I want to talk about how to be successful in your business opportunity. And this is a combination of getting the right mindset for business and also taking the right steps, the right action steps. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that being in a business opportunity, starting your own online business is what you really want to do. A lot of people have these daydreams about starting their own business, and then when they actually start doing it, they find out that they don't like it, or they rather have the so-called quote-unquote security of a job where they get a paycheck every 2 weeks or every week. So they go back to their job. So basically, you have to make sure that starting a business is what you really want to do and that you're willing to do what's necessary in order to be successful in your business. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing, you need to educate yourself. You need to learn what are income producing activities you need to do in your business every day in order to be successful. And when you first start off wanting to have your own online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, whatever, you have to learn how to work your business. You know, how to drive traffic to your business, how to build an email list, how to email your list every day, how to do free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies, how to build a sales funnel. All of those things are what you need to learn how to do. Now you can hopefully whatever business opportunity you're in has that kind of information available for you. The business opportunity I'm in, it has that kind of information. I'm in the back office of one of the business opportunities I'm involved with, and it has all kinds of training on how to create a blog authority, how to be heard on social media regarding your business, how to become like a business coach, how to do email marketing, Facebook marketing, how to generate traffic. All that sorts of stuff is a whole bunch of information. So hopefully the business opportunity you're thinking of getting involved with, or if you're already involved in one, has that kind of training in their back office so you can learn how to run your business. Next thing you want to do while you're learning how to do that stuff, it's also important to start taking action in your business. Taking action is doing exactly what you learned how to do. Doing those income producing activities like driving traffic to your offer, building your email list, emailing your list every day, making YouTube videos if that's what you want to do, doing Facebook marketing. Those are all income producing activities. Writing a blog post every day on your blog, posting on Instagram about your business opportunity or whatever. Those are all called income producing activities, and you need to start doing that even as you're learning how to do it. It's a combination of taking, a half hour to an hour to learn how to do something, and then taking a couple of hours to put that into action. Okay? So, yes, the next thing you need to do is to take action. And when you take action, you need to be consistent. Being consistent, doing these activities every single day. This is a business, it's not a hobby. So you have to take these actions, do these income producing activities every single day in order to be successful. Because if you don't treat your business like a business, and you only do it every once in a while when you feel like it, you're never going to be successful. You're never going to make commissions. You're not going to make that much money. Okay, so it's important to be consistent. Consistency is probably the number one key to success in any business opportunity. A lot of people give up before they have reached success because they weren't being consistent in the income producing activities they need to do. Next, you have to be patient. Now, you may have been in Facebook groups for certain business opportunities, and you'll see people posting on there, I just started this business opportunity yesterday, and today I woke up to $500. you know, and you've been working that same business opportunity for a couple of weeks and you haven't made your first dollar yet. You have to be patient. I mean, sometimes you might make a quick commission, like when you first start, but most of the time it could take a week, 2 weeks, several weeks, even a month before you see your first commission. It might even take longer than that if you don't have like a financial budget that you can use to drive paid traffic to your offer. You have to depend solely on free traffic methods through social media or something in order to make commissions. It may take you longer to start making those commissions. So you have to be patient, okay? And that's another reason why people give up. They're not patient enough. That, you know, they work the business for a couple of weeks, they haven't made their first dollar yet, and then they quit. And then they're like, oh, this doesn't work for me. I quit. Let me go find something else to do. And then they just repeat the pattern over and over again in whatever business opportunity. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't matter which business opportunity they get involved with, they will always fail because they give up instead of being consistent and being patient. Okay? Now, as far as those Facebook groups for whatever business opportunity you're in, only go into those Facebook groups for, like, if there's some important updates from the owner of the business, or you have a question that you need answered, and so you go to the Facebook group and post your question there, and then people there will help you out. They'll answer that question for you. Those are the only two reasons to go on in the Facebook group. And I say this because, again, most of the posts in the Facebook group are just people posting their results. Like, oh, I made $1,000 today, or made $500 today. And some of those people who are posting in the Facebook group are like top earners. And the reason that they're top earners is because they've been doing this for years. So they have built up, you know, a base of support. They have built up a huge email list of people that they can go to over and over and over again to promote whatever business opportunity, you know, they jump into next. And they're able to make a whole bunch of commissions as a result. So they've been doing this for years. They've been building their email list for years. They're really advanced marketers, and that's why they're always the top marketers. And they will be posting those Facebook groups over and over and over again, posting their results. And the problem, there's nothing wrong. My phone is going off here. There's nothing wrong with posting results and seeing those results is positive, but at the same time it could be frustrating for the newbies who aren't making that kind of money, and they see these results like, well, how come I'm not making this money? That's because you're just starting out. You're not an advanced marketer who has been working this business for years. So you're starting off at the bottom, but remember, those top marketers, they started off at the bottom too a few years ago. So you're at where they used to be at. So if you're at where they used to be at, then you can also be a top earner yourself one day too. So you just have to be, like I said, consistent and patient. Don't spend a whole bunch of time in the Facebook groups. Just go there if you need to ask a question, or if there's some type of important update from the owner of the company. Okay? And next, after maybe 90 days of working your business, reevaluate, see how much success you've gotten, see what kind of results you're getting, and then you have to reevaluate. Let's say that 90 days have gone by, you haven't made a sale yet, no commissions come in. You have to reevaluate what you're doing, because obviously the business opportunity works because other people are making money. So you have to decide, what are you doing wrong? How can you correct it so you can start making those commissions? So again, I have here, don't give up. You just have to reevaluate what you're doing wrong and then fix it, and then come up with a different strategy and see if you start making commissions then. Okay? And if another 90 days go by and you haven't made any money, then maybe it's time to reevaluate that particular business opportunity. Maybe it's not the right fit for you. Maybe you need to find something else at that point. But don't give up too early on it, okay? massive action into it the first 90 days, and then track your progress along the way. If you're making positive results, keep doing what you're doing. And eventually, commissions start coming in, and then, after a while, steady commissions will start coming in. Okay, so that's basically all I want to talk about today on how to be successful in your business opportunity. The two main things, actually three things: take action, be consistent in your action, and be patient. Those three things right there are really the key to your success in any business opportunity you might be in. Now, if you don't have a business opportunity yet and you're looking to get involved in a business opportunity, I would invite you to go ahead and check out the very first link below this video in the description area. Just click on that link and you'll be taken to a page where you put your email address in, and after that you'll receive all of the information about the business opportunity that I'm in and how I promote it, and just go ahead and check that out. All right, thank you again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.